wearing my green shirt today to celebrate launching communities on WhatsApp. This is a major evolution for WhatsApp, and it's something that I've been really focused on for the last year. Now, if you think about all the activities that you do and people you connect with throughout the day, it reflects the different kinds of relationships that people have, not just with our loved ones, but based around our activities and work too. And with communities, admins will now have the tools to organize conversations under one umbrella. It all starts with a brand new tab on WhatsApp. You can see here some of the different communities that I organize my chats around, surfing buddies, school, family, and work conversations all in one place. And we've also built a bunch of new features to improve the group chat experience, like reactions, larger file sharing, and we're now rolling out polls, 32-person calls, shareable call links to set up a group call for later, and more. I believe that close-knit communities need private and secure ways of connecting amongst themselves. And with these additional features, WhatsApp is more private and secure than our competitors. I'm excited more people will get to use communities starting today.
Get more content, entertainment, support and current news. Click on the subscribe button. Thanks.